Hi everyone, this is Krishnara, Math Society faculty. Last class we discussed functions, its domain. In this class we have to discuss in this functions range, how to find the range. Here different methods are there. Here first method, x, the function x expressed in terms of x expressed in terms of y. This is the first method. First we have to express given this x in terms of y. Thereafter this is a g of y. Now find g of y. It's a domain. This domain is equal to given function range. Then how to find? See here, step by step I will explain. First we can express this function in terms of y. Then y is equal to x square plus 1 plus x square. Actually this is f of x, the function f of x. F of x means y. Cross multiply y plus y x square is equal to x square. Then this is send that side. Then y is equal to x square into 1 minus y. Now we want x square. This is y by 1 minus y. See here x square is greater than 0. X square is greater than 0. See here, input values you have to substitute here. 0 means what happened? 0 by 1 means 0. You can take any negative value also. Negative value, suppose minus 1 means 1 by minus 1 square means plus 1. Here minus 1 means plus 1. 1 plus 1, here 2. You can take any positive also. Suppose plus 1, this is also 1. Take any negative, some highest value. Minus 4 you can take here. Minus 4 means here 16 by, here 1 plus 16. Here 16 by 17. This is also less than 1. That output value is less than 1 and or equal to 0. Less than 1 or equal to 0. Then 1 minus y is greater than 0. Then y minus 1 is less than 0, y is less than 1. Y is less than 1 means up to which value you have to take here? See here, clearly you can observe here. Actually normal domain you can take here y is less than 1 means you can take here up to minus infinite. Here minus infinite you can take means if it is possible, negative value is possible here, output values negative not possible. Why? Because both are positive, that's why. You can give input any negative or positive both values also. It will give the only positive values. That is also in the interval of, see here, you can give any value also. This is a 0 or 1. In between all values are there. You can give any value also. That's why here this is second option. Note down. Next, second problem, y is equal to f of x is equal to under root of 2 minus x by x. Now we have to express this x in terms of y, 2 minus x by x. Squaring on both sides, y square is equal to 2 minus x by x. Cross multiply, x y square is equal to 2 minus x. This x also send this side, take x common, x square plus 1 is equal to 2. Now x is equal to 2 by y square plus 1. Y square plus 1. Now see here you can give any value also, input values. Okay, this is x is possible, x is 0 is possible or 0 is not possible. Okay, this is either greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. This is you can give input values. Input values means here, okay, here you can take here, this is greater than y square plus 1 is greater than 0, not greater than or greater than only 0. Then here y square is greater than minus 1, y square is greater than minus 1. Then here minus 1 under root possible, output under root possible, not possible. That's why minus 1 you can leave it. That's why here 0 possible, this is also 0 possible. Then 0 is closed interval. Then up to you can give any values also. This is only positive, possible. Here under root any value you have to give, that is existed only positive values. Positive means here range also positive values. That means here 0 to plus infinite, or plus union 0 also you can write it. This like also you can write here. R plus means only positive real numbers including 0. Okay, note down. Next, second method is complete scaring method. Complete scaring method. See here, this is the second method how to find the range by using the complete scaring method. By using this problem, you have to explain. See here, x square plus 4x plus 5 as given. This is y. Okay, now y is equal to, this is write as x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 1 you can write here. Now this is rewrite as x square plus 2 into x into, this is write as 2 into 2 4x plus, this is write as 2 square plus 1. Now see here, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square formula. Then x plus 2 whole square plus 1, this is y. Clearly you can observe this value is that means x plus 2 whole square is greater than or equal to 0. This value either 0 or greater than 0. Why? Because negative not possible. Why? Because here even power has given. That's why negative value is not possible. That's why this is greater than 0. Now we can take here, this is greater than 0 means here y minimum means here this is 0, completely 0. Complete 0 means what is the value here? 1. Suppose here y maximum means y maximum value you have to take means this is infinite plus 1 is equal to plus infinite only. That's why here range is equal to what is the value range here? Closed interval 1 comma infinite. This is here I am also not given any option. Okay, no doubt. Next, third method to find the range by using restriction method. Use restriction method. Okay, the restriction method how to explain by using this problem. See here, this is f of x is equal to y. You can write here. This is under root over x square plus 2x plus 3 as given. Now you can take this one is x square plus 2 into x into. Here this is write as 1 plus 2 you can write here 1. This is also 1 square plus 2. Understand clearly? Now this is write as x plus y, x a plus b whole square formula, then x plus 1 whole square plus 2. Now you can use this is here range. This is greater than or equal to 0. X plus 1 whole square is greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Here minimum is equal to y minimum is equal to 0. This is 0 means here this is 2. This is 2. Understand? Now here maximum is equal to infinite. Then what the range here? Its range is 2 comma infinite. This is 2 comma infinite. This range. But we have to find this range. Here under root as given means you can write here under root 2 comma plus infinite. This is closed interval. And which option? This is second option. See here all are same options. Different same, but here bracket changes. This is so closed interval, this is closed interval, both are open interval. Here 2, here root 2, same also. Okay, that's why no need any confusion. You can follow this method. Okay, no doubt. Okay, next one is method of using graphs. See here range of f of x is equal to the projection of the graph on y-axis. F of x is equal to here x plus 1. Here x is less than 0, minus 3x plus 5 is, here 0 is less than or equal to, x is less than 1 and 1 means here x is greater than 1. You have to draw a graph, see here. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, 0, 1, here 2, 3, 4, here 5 you can take here on x-axis also, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now see here, first one is x plus 1 and x is less than 0. X is less than 0 means here, this is suppose here 0 means here this is 1 open interval and remaining this is x is less than 0 means already minus, then minus infinity to 1. Okay, now see here x plus 1 is equal to 0 means here x is 0 means this is 1. X minus 1 means this is 0. X is equal to 1 means this is 2. Now you have to draw this is a line. Straight line. Now second case you have to take, this is first case, its range is minus infinite to plus 1. Now second one you have to take here minus 3x plus 5. Minus 3x plus 5 here 0 is less than or equal to x is less than 1. Here first you can take here 0 means what happened here, this is 5. 0 means here 5. that means here 5, and you can take here 1 means here 2, open interval 2 comma close interval 5. Now see here, this is minus 0 means here this is positive 5, and 1 means here this is 2. Now you have to draw this like. Next third one is here y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 means here x is greater than or equal to 1. X either 1 or more than 1. Then this is, you can take 1. Then here also y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1 means. Now first one is here minus infinity to 1 open interval union. Second one is here 2 to 5 union set of 1. Here minus infinity to 1, minus infinity to 1. Okay, next one is 2 to 5. Here 2 to 5. This is 2 to 5. Here minus infinity to 1, and this is also 1 also there. Then here close interval, this is 1. Minus infinity to close interval 1 union, this is 2 comma 5. This is the answer by using graph. Which option you have to check here? This is a second option. Not second option. This is fourth option. Fourth option. No. Closed interval. This is open interval. This is open interval. Right here. Second option. Open interval. Okay. Okay, next is the one, find the range of 3 by 2 minus x square. See here, first you can write here express in terms of y is equal to 3 by 2 minus x square. Now you have to cross multiply 2 into y, 2y minus x square, y is equal to 3. Now this is send that side, then x square y is equal to 2y minus 3. Now here x square is equal to 2y minus 3 by y. Here x square is greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0 means here, which one you have to take here? 2y minus 3 by y is greater than or equal to 0. Then you can multiply it by y on either side. Then here 2y minus 3 into y is greater than or equal to 0. Then here this is 3 by 2, this is y, this is 3 by 2, then minus infinity 0, minus infinite 0, 0 union. Here 3 by 2 to close interval 3 by 2 to plus infinite. Okay, this is which option you can check it is here. It's actually this is domain of y. This is the range of given function. Then which option you have to check here? This is the third option. Note down. Okay, next problem, the range of f of x is equal to 2 plus x minus fx by 1 minus x plus fx. See here, y is equal to 2 plus here x minus fx by here 1 minus, you can take here minus means here x minus of fx. Here minus and minus plus. Now see here, y is equal to 2 plus here x minus fx is equal to fractional part of x. You know this one, x minus fx is equal to fractional part of x, or x is equal to fx plus fractional part of x. Okay, now see here. Here also 1 minus fractional part of x, but the fractional part of x is lies between 0 and 1. 0 and 1 fractional part. How it is means here, this is x integer, this is suppose 3.2. 3.2 how to write here? 3 plus 0.2. Then this is write as 3 plus here 0.2. 0.2 means this is the fractional part. Okay, now see here, this is 2, it is greater than 0. It is greater than 0. Suppose here you can take any value also. Here 0 you can take here. 0 means here, this is always positive. 0 means here, this is 2. That means here 2. Here more than 0 you can take also, no problem. That is also up to infinity it is positive. Okay. See here, then here 2 closed interval 2 comma up to plus infinity. You can take any value also. Okay, not done. Okay, next eighth problem, find the range of y is equal to 1 by 2 plus sin 3x plus cos 3x. Here I am also not given any option, just you have to do it. See here. How to do this problem? So you are given y is equal to 1 by 2 plus sin 3x plus cos 3x. You have to write here. This one is write as reciprocal. Here 2 plus sin 3x plus cos 3x is equal to 1 by y. Now this 2 also send that side. Then sin 3x plus cos 3x is equal to 1 by y minus 2. Now you can divide either side 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2 here, otherwise you have to multiply 1 by root 2 into sin 3x plus 1 by root 2 into cos 3x is equal to 1 by root 2 into y minus 1 by y minus 2. Now this is how many degrees? This is cos 45 degrees. Cos 5 by 4 into sin 3x plus 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 instead of you can write here sin pi by 4 into cos 3x is equal to 1 by root 2 into 1 by y minus 2. Now this is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is equal to sin a plus b. Sin 3x plus pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2 into 1 by y minus 2. Now we know that this is sin, it's a domain, it's a range is equal to minus 1. Sin x range is equal to minus 1 comma plus 1. Okay. Then see here, they can express it as like this, like r minus 1 is less than or equal to 1. This is also both are same. Okay. Now see here, minus 1 is less than sin 3x plus pi by 4 is less than or equal to 1. Now minus 1 is less than or equal to, what is the value of sin 3x plus pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2 into 1 by y minus 2 is less than or equal to 1. Now this in equation you have to multiply it by root 2. Now minus root 2 is less than or equal to 1 by y minus 2 is less than or equal to root 2. Now you can add either side whole in equation by 2. Then 2 minus root 2 is less than or equal to 1 by y is less than or equal to 2 plus root 2. Now this is right as reciprocal. Then 1 by 2 minus root 2 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 root 2. Now its a domain is equal to range of the function. Then range is equal to closed interval 1 by 2 minus root 2 comma 1 by 2 plus root 2. This is the range. Note down. Okay, next problem, the range of the value of x for which x square plus 6x minus 27 is greater than 0 and x minus x square plus 3x plus 4 is greater than 0. See here two functions as given. You have to take its range, its unique value. First one, see here, x square plus 6x minus 27 is greater than 0. Now this is factorized or split in the middle term. X square plus, here 9 3s are 27, 9x minus 3x minus 27 is greater than 0. In these two terms, you have to take common x and x plus 9. In these two terms, you have to take minus 3 common, x plus 9 is greater than 0. The whole term x plus 9 is common, then x minus 3 is greater than 0. Now this is right as, this is minus 9 and this is 3 and minus infinite to minus 9 union, this is a 3 and plus infinite. Now see here, second one, here minus x square plus 3x plus 4 is greater than 0. Now here minus as given, then you have to multiply the whole inequation by minus, then x square minus 3x minus 4 is less than 0. Now this is the middle term is splitting, x square minus 4x plus x minus 4 is less than 0. Minus 4 plus x is equal to minus 3x minus 4 into 1 minus 4. In these two terms you have to take common x minus 4 plus 1. In these two terms you have to take common here x minus 4 is common on both of them. Here x plus 1 0. Now you have to write this is also lies between minus 1 less than x is less than 4. Now this 2 you can take here. This is minus infinity, this is plus infinite, and this is minus 9, minus 1, this is 4. First one is here, minus, here also 3 also there, this is 3, and this is minus 1. Now see here, minus infinity to minus 9, okay, this is minus 9. Next 3 to plus infinite. Next second function, minus 1 and 4. This is also all are open interval. Now this is the common part is here, open interval 3 comma 4. Open interval 3 comma 4. Our answer is third option. No doubt. Next 10th problem, the range of x square minus x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 is, here 4 options as given. Given function is y is equal to x square minus x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. You have to express in terms of y. Now cross multiply y x square plus yx plus y is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Now where it is x terms you have to send that side. Y x square plus yx, then these two terms send this side. X square plus x is equal to plus x, and this term also send this side. Okay, same. Y minus 1 is equal to 0. All terms send this side. Now here x square you have to take common, y minus 1. In these two terms you have to take here x square common, then y minus 1. Now you have to take common here x you have to take common, then here y plus 1. Now here remaining term you can write here y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is looks like as a quadratic equation. Quadratic equations you can find here roots. Then how to find here roots? Minus b, here x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root or b square minus 4ac by 2a. Before finding this one, first you have to find this is greater than or equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. You can find first. Then okay, now see here b square means what is the value here? B minus of y plus 1 minus whole square minus 4 into a value is equal to y minus 1 into c is equal to y minus 1 y is greater than or equal to 0. Chalk this. Okay, now see here. This is a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into y. And here minus 4 into, this is a minus b into a minus b whole square formula. Again you can write here y square minus 2y plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Now this is y square plus 2y plus 1 minus 4y square plus 8y minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. Now this is minus 4, this is 1 minus 3y square, and this 8 plus 2 is equal to 10y, and 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Now what we have to do here? Multiplied by minus 3y square minus 10y plus 3 is less than or equal to 0. Now 3 3s are 9, 3y square minus 9y minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus into minus plus, here 3 9 ones are 9. Okay, now this is 9 1 10. In these two terms we can take common 3y, then y minus 3, here minus 1 common, y minus 3 is less than or equal to 0. The whole term y minus 3 you have to take common, then this is 3 minus y, 3y minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Now here this is write as 1 by 3 is less than or equal to, y is less than or equal to 3. That means here the range of this function, domain of y is equal to range of this function, then 1 by 3, close interval 1 by 3 comma 3, this is the range. Okay, check. Okay, our answer is this is first one. First one, this is plus not minus, plus 1 by 1 by 3 comma 3 close interval. Note down. Next 11th problem, find the range of sin inverse of x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Okay, this problem without multiple choice, without options, I will explain. See here, it's a denominator you have to take here, x square plus 2. It is either, suppose this is x square becomes 0 means it is equal to 2 or greater than 2. 2 or 2 or more than 2. Now see here, now I will write reciprocal means 1 by 2 is less than 1 by 2 is less than 1 by x square plus 2 is 0. 1 by infinity means this is 0. Okay. Now see here. Now what I will do? I will multiply with minus. Sorry, this is also after changes means this is a changes sign also. Now I will multiply with minus, then minus 1 by 2. This is less than or equal to 1 minus 1 by x square plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. Now I will add one total in equation. 1 minus 1 by 2 is less than or equal to 1 minus 1 by x square plus 2 is less than 1. Now why I will add this one and why I will take this like this, after 2 steps you know that. See here, 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 is less than or equal to, now you have to take here LCM, x square plus 2 minus 1 is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is less than or equal to 1. See, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Now you can apply what we have to apply, sin inverse. Sin inverse of 1 by 2 is less than or equal to sin inverse of x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is less than or equal to sin inverse of 1. Now see here, this is inverse trigonometric functions. Sin inverse of sin on 1 by 2 is right as sin inverse of sin how many degrees here? This is 30 degrees, pi by 6. Less than or equal to, this is y is less than or equal to sin inverse of sin pi by 2 degrees. Now this is sin inverse of sin means here, that is x, or pi by 6 here, y is less than pi by 2. Now its range is equal to close interval pi by 6 comma pi by 2. This is the answer. Note down. Okay, next problem, 12th one, find the range of f of x is equal to logarithm of sin x minus cos x plus 3 root 2 by root 2 base 2 as given. Now this is y is equal to logarithm of sin x minus cos x plus 3 root 2 upon root 2 base 2 as given. Now this is right as 2 to the power of y is equal to and sin x here 1 by root 2, you can divide this one, minus 1 by root 2 cos x plus 3 by root 2 by root 2. Now see here, this is 2 for y is equal to, this is right as cos 45 degrees, then sin x into cos pi by 4 minus cos x into sin pi by 4. This one cancel 3. Now this is right as sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is equal to sin a minus b plus 3, that 3 set this side, 2 for y minus 3. Now see here, this is sin x, its range is equal to minus 1 comma 1. Sin x range is equal to minus 1 and 1. Actually sin x minus pi by 4 value is equal to 2 for y minus 3 is equal to minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 to the power of y minus 3 is less than or equal to 1. Now you can add 3 the whole in equation. 3 plus minus 1 is equal to 2 is less than or equal to 2 to the power of y is less than or equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now this is rewrite as 2 to the power of 1 is less than 2 to the power of y is less than 2 square. Now bases all are equal, then 1 is less than, y is less than or equal to 2. Now its range is equal to closed interval 1 comma 2, close interval 1 comma 2, note down. Okay, next problem, 13th one, range of f of x is equal to 4 to the power of x plus 2 for x plus 1. Here y is equal to 4 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 1 as given. Now I will take this is 2 to the power of x is equal to some t. Now y is equal to, this is write as 2 square 2 power x whole square you can write here, or 2 power x 2 square whole for x also you can write here, plus 2 power x plus 1. This is a for m whole for n. Again you can write here 2 power x whole square also you can write here 2 power x plus 1. Now this is 2 power x is equal to t square plus t plus 1. This is y. Now this is write as a plus b whole square formula, then t square plus 2 times of t into here 1 by 2 add and 1 by 2 you have to subtract. This 2 to cancel means 1 by 2 times, then here 1 by 2 times subtract plus 1. Now this is a square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square minus this is 1 by 4 plus 1. Now y is equal to t plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 4 1 is 4 plus minus 1, this is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. See here, this 3 by 4 also send this side. T plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to y plus 3 by 4. Y plus 3 by 4. Now t plus 1 by 2 is equal to plus or minus under root or y plus 3 by 4. This 1 by 2 send that side. T is equal to plus or minus under root over y plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. What this is t means here 2 to the power of x. Here 2 to the power of, this is actually 2 to the power of x is equal to, this is. Okay, now see here, this value is here, this is greater than 0. Okay, greater than 0. Okay, then here greater than 0 means you have to take here 1 to plus infinity is possible. Here 0 to infinity possible, or this is not possible, 0 to infinity. 1 to infinity is possible. Why? Because here this is under root positive. At the same time, here this is 1 you have to take here. 1 you can take means this is here 2 power x is equal to 0 you can take. 2 power 0 means here 1. That's why here you can take here 1, minimum 1, maximum is infinite its value. This is x, 2 power x is equal to this is here x is equal to, suppose minimum value is 0. Okay, 0 means here 1 and maximum is infinite you can take. Then the range is equal. Actually I made a mistake here. This is 4 1 is 4 plus 1 means this is plus 3 by 4. Plus 3 by 4. Here plus 3 by 4 send that side means minus 3 by 4. Then here also minus 3 by 4. Here also minus 3 by 4. Then see here y minus 3 by 4 is greater than 0 means here y is greater than 3 by 4. Y is greater than, this is approximately 0.75. That's why you have to take here open interval 1 comma plus infinite its value. This is correct. Note down. Okay, one more same type of problem. The range of f of x is equal to logarithm of root 2 sin x minus cos x plus 3 base root 5. See here, this is y is equal to logarithm of root 5, logarithm of root 2 into sin x minus cos x plus 3 base root 5. Now this is write as root 5 power y is equal to, this is root 2 into sin x minus cos x plus 3. Okay, now this whole equation divided by 2. Now this is 2. Then what happens? See here, this is root 5 by 2. Root 5 power 5 y by 2 is equal to, this is root 2 times cancel, then 1 by root 2 into sin x minus here cos x, 1 by root 2 times of cos x, but here this is right as 3 by 2. This is cancellation only this term, not this term. That's why you can write here 3 by 2. Now this is right as, this is cos 45 cos a sin b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Then this is directly you can write here sin x minus pi by 4 plus 3 by 2. Then this is root 5 power y minus 2. Now this is also sent this side. Now root 5 for y by 2 minus 3 by 2 is equal to sine of x minus pi by 4. What is the range of sine? Sine minus 1 and 1. Minus 1 and 1. Now this value, instead of, you can write here, this is minus 1 and this is root 5 for minus 3 by 2 is less than or equal to 1. Now you have to multiply it by 2. Minus 2 is less than or equal to root 5 for y minus 3 is less than 2. Now this 2 you have to add. Add means here this is 1 less than or equal to root 5 for y less than or equal to, this is 5. Now this is right as 5 power 0. 5 power 0 is equal to 1. This is right as 5 power y by 2 is less than. This is also 5 power 1. Now this is 0 is less than or equal to y by 2 is less than or equal to 1. Now you can multiply it by 2. 0 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 2. Now what is the here? Range is equal to closed interval 0 comma 2. Closed interval 0 comma 2. Note down. Okay, next problem. This is a homework problem, challenge problem. Then you have to do it and send the answer to my WhatsApp. See here, how to do, I will explain just. If f of x is equal to cos square x plus 4 cos x plus 5 upon 2 cos square x plus 8 cos x plus 8. First, this one is write as a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, how we write is here, cos x whole square plus 2 times of cos x into, this is 2, you can write here, 2 plus here 2 square plus 1 you can write here. Now this is 2 into 2 4 cos x plus this is 2 square plus 4 plus 1 5. Now this is right as a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square formula means here cos x plus 2 whole square plus 1. This is the numerator. Now denominator, how to write here? This is also same as you can write here. Here you can take 2 common. First you have to take here denominator, you have to take 2 common, then cos square x plus this is 4 cos x plus here 4. Then this is right as cos x plus 2 whole square you can write here. Thereafter these terms you have to separate. This is also one time cancel, then this is right as 1 by 2 plus thereafter 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 times of cos x plus 2 whole square. Now this is cos x, you know the domain. It is lies between minus 1 and 1. Okay, this is cos x. Now this is also right as same. Then you will get the answer. Okay, note down. At the same time, the chapter completed. Next chapter, next class we have to discuss. Thank you.